Not mine. She told me that it was Miss Mess's job. I mean, your job.
Yes, Miss Mess's job.
It's your job. Miss Mess told me that's your job to do it. Not mine.
It's like, right now, I did that. I can barely see you. Get some light or something.
I like it at nighttime.
Listen, listen.
Huh?
Oh, yeah. What if I got that and what if we can hear it on here?
You're videotaping, aren't you?
Mm-hmm. Put it on YouTube.
Peace out, nigga. Looks like he did. Oh, he's got his door open. You!
What? See my butt? Right there, come on.
Oh, yeah. That's pretty.
You get away.
Did he change? Because I can't see anything. It's just all white.
He's on underwear.
Ew!
He's not recording now.
Huh?
He's like not recording.
Ew. What if I get this call? Oh, it is.
Oh, wow.
Nope. Why are you still recording? Freaking man. Wannabe.
I'm not a wannabe.
You lie. Are you gonna videotape me doing schoolwork?
Is that what you gonna do?
No.
I didn't. Didn't you watch TV?
Schoolwork or watch TV?
TV.
Please stop. Not stop removing me on it.
Can't get you straight. Here we go.
Oh, what the man? Huh? Joe's a retard, is that what you said?
Mm-hmm.
See you inside! Bye. Peace out, home dog.